Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarifah Nabilah Binti Azman. I'm currently doing my internship at INSTEP or Institute Teknologi Petroleum Petronas. For my roles as an intern at INSTEP is I have been an intern at Department Learning Experience and Orchestrations. My roles and tasks may include assisting, supporting the orchestration of learning events and programs, contributing to the providing administrative support for training initiative and collaborating with colleagues to ensure a positive and effective learning environment. Additionally, I may have the opportunity to engage in data analysis and various projects related to learning and development. It is great opportunity to gain hand-on experience in the field of educational training and facilitation. The main project I have been doing during my intern is Zamrud Library, where it's a project with PRC teams. PRC stand for Petronas Resource Centers, where it's located at KL. So, giving a crucial task in ensuring the smooth transition of book from Zamrud Library to a safe location while also maintaining accurate records of the library's inventory that have been given to me from my manager and my executive, also my supervisor. My responsibilities are coordinating the allocation and transportation of the books, overseeing the stock taking process, and updating the library system which they record the inventory. It is essential to prioritize organization and meticulous attention to the detail to safeguard the library's collection and ensure that every book is properly accounted for. Additionally, effective communication with library staff, likewise, staff from Petronas Resource Center (PRC) and stakeholder will be key in successfully completing in this project. Let's go straight to SWOT analysis. So, the SWOT analysis for Institute Teknologi Petroleum Petronas or INSTEP, a leading institution in petroleum engineering education. The analysis aims to identify the institute's internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats. By examining these factors, INSTEP can develop strategies to leverage its strengths, address weakness, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. So for the strengths, these are internal factors that give INSTEP an advantage over others in the industry. This could include its cutting-edge research facilities, highly qualified faculty, strong industry partnership, and a proven track record of producing skilled professionals. For the first strength is strong industry connection, where the Institute Teknologi Petroleum Petronas has strong ties to the petroleum industry Petronas, providing students with valuable networking opportunities and access to industry expertise because they connect the strong ties with petroleum industry such as Petronas. So certificate that applies to all oil and gas industry with technical energy enrichment program. This is one of the best program that have been that currently run in INSTEP. I'm so sorry. So the second one is cutting edge facilities. It boasts of art laboratories and research facilities, allowing students to gain hands-on experience with the latest and the same technology and equipment in oil and gas industry. Facilities that support experiential learning at upstream and downstream training plant (UDTP) that same as at the real plant in the oil and gas industry. The third one is industry relevant curriculum. The curriculum is designed in collaboration with industry professionals, ensuring that graduates are equipped with the skill and knowledge needed to excel in the petroleum sector. Instead, provide track mechanical and instrument. Last, for the strength is expert faculty. The institute attract top-tier faculty member with extensive industry experience, enhancing the quality of education and research. Experienced trainers in industry that have certificate in oil and gas company and industrial base and standard. This is why INSTEP are the top institute engineering Petronas staff and the other oil and gas staff are the trainers. Next is the weakness. These are internal factors that place INSTEP at a disadvantage compared to other in the industry. This could include limited funding for research, outdated infrastructure, or a lack diversity in the faculty and student body. So for the first is limited program diversity. The Institute Technology Petroleum Petronas focus on petroleum related program may limit the option available to students who are interested in other field of study. Provide only oil and gas training such as technical and oil and gas. Instead Petronas are having another training center, likewise Petronas Resource Center PRC. That's why instead are focusing only for petroleum related. Next one is dependency on industry trends. Fluctuations in the petroleum industry may impact the institute funding and resources, posing a potential risk to its stability. Instead, highly dependent on industry training based on demand in oil and gas, since petroleum price are volatile. For example, in a year it can be 100 USD barrel and at the end it can be 50 USD barrels. So if the barrel are increasing, so the dependency of fluctuation instead also increasing. For opportunities, these are external factors that instead could potentially leverage to its advantage. This might include emerging trends in the petroleum engineering industry, government funding for research and development, or the opportunity to collaborate with international partners. For the first point is diversification of program. Exploring the possibility of adding programs in renewable energy, environmental sustainability, or other related field could broaden the institute's appeal to the wider range of students. The diversified outside oil and gas industry for sustainability or others. So next is international collaboration. Establishing partnership with global institutions can enhance research opportunities and broaden the institute reach. Further, the collaboration offer training for other countries that Petronas have been operated, meet the global standard, and extend partnership with global institutions such as OPITO and BTEC. To give certificate for graduate to be recognized in oil and gas industry worldwide, because a BTEC can provide more module to instead to be given the training. Last is trade. These are external factors that could pose a risk to INSTEP success. This could include increasing competition from other research institutes, change in government regulation, or a shift in industry demand for certain types of research. For the first point is regulatory change. Shift in government policies and environmental regulation could impact the petroleum industry, potentially affecting the institute curriculum and research focus. Political stability when government want to take profit from instead. This is a trick from instead if government want to take over the institute. The second one is economic volatility. By fluctuations in oil and gas, in oil price and economic condition can impact the industry's stability, leading to potential challenge for the institute in terms of funding and industry support. The industry will cut the cost by decreasing the training for staff because the demand for petroleum are decreased. This is related with the economic condition or demand for the petroleum industry. In the field of management and development, the orchestration of activities and projects within the department was a testament to the organization's commitment to fostering a collaborative and growth-oriented environment. I also want to recommend that offering a variety of training opportunities such as workshops, seminars, or online courses to supplement the hands-on experience gained during the internship. This is what INSTEP can be doing in the future. So this can also further develop intern skill set and knowledge base by introducing a formal system for recognizing and appreciating intern contributions, such as an intern of the month, intern of the years, by recognitions or a culmination event to celebrate their achievement. The department at INSTEP exemplify a strong focus on mentorship and skill development. This is also given to me. I had the opportunity to work closely with experienced professionals who were dedicated to guiding and supporting my learning journey. Through this collaborative orchestration, I was able to actively participate in a real-world project, gain hands-on experience, and contribute to the team's objective. So that's all from me. Thank you.